Oh my god. Look at Oscar's laughing at it. His head's up. He's like, oh, this is good. I like getting this done.
You'll throw up now.
Rocco and Oscar. Rocco trying to get Oscar ready. Oscar doesn't know what he's in for. Well, now Oscar's going to... Look, Oscar's cleaning himself as well now. He's going, oh, I'll help you, Rocco. Oscar was just cleaning himself as well then. Look. Oh, I'll help. Look at Oscar's towel going nuts. I can't believe it. I love you, Oscar. I think Oscar's just too scared to move. What do you reckon?
He doesn't want to lift his ass off again.
Oh, Rocco? Wait, Rocco, what are you doing? That's a cat, you know, it's not a dog. Oh, I love you, Oscar. Rocco, babe, you have to get up. Rocco.